If you're looking to set up proof for lead generation, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to make the most of proof to skyrocket your lead generation efforts. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a powerful strategy to take your leads to the next level, and I'll also let you know how you can access Proof with an extended free trial. First things first, Proof is a powerful tool that helps you build trust and drive conversions by showing your website visitors social proof. It's a great way to influence potential customers by showcasing live data about what others are doing on your site. Whether it's sign-ups, purchases, or any other important activity, showing visitors that others are engaged can increase your chances of generating leads. To get started, you'll first need to set up your Proof account. It's a straightforward process. Head to the Proof website, sign up, and integrate the software into your website using the simple plugin or code. Once that's done, you're all set up to start tracking your visitors' behavior. Don't worry if you don't have technical experience. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Now, let's dive into how you can use Proof specifically for lead generation. One of the most effective features is the ability to display live notifications on your site, showing visitors the number of sign-ups, purchases, or other actions being completed by others. These notifications work as social proof, helping to create urgency and trust with potential leads. For example, showing how many people have recently signed up for your newsletter or made a purchase gives new visitors the confidence they need to take action themselves. To set this up, go to the dashboard in your Proof account and select the type of notification you want to display. You can choose from a variety of options, showing recent activity, the number of signups in the last 24 hours, or even displaying testimonials. It's all about customizing your Proof widgets to match your lead generation goals. Next, target your notifications. You can set triggers based on certain actions or page views, making sure you're presenting the right proof at the right time. For example, if someone is on a product page but hasn't yet converted, you can trigger a notification showing how many people have made a purchase recently. This can push them to take the final step and fill out your lead capture form or make a purchase, but it doesn't stop there. To further optimize your lead generation efforts, Proof allows you to segment your audience. You can target specific visitors based on where they are in the buyer's journey. Whether they're first-time visitors or repeat customers, you can tailor the messaging to match their behavior. For example, you might want to show a different notification to a first-time visitor than to someone who's been on your site for a while. This kind of personalization can make your lead generation much more effective. To track the results, Proof provides detailed analytics so you can see how your notifications are performing. You'll get data on conversions, engagement rates, and more. Use this to refine your approach, A/B test different notifications, and continually improve your lead generation strategy. Now, before I wrap up, I want to make sure you know that you can get started with Proof completely free through the first link below. Plus, I'm offering an exclusive extended free trial with additional bonuses when you sign up. So don't miss out on this opportunity to leverage social proof for your lead generation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below to start growing your leads today.